So one of the most common excuses I get from clients on why they're not posting regularly or creating video content regularly is because they don't know what to post. So today on Ask Ashton, I'm going to show you where to go to find content that you can use in your videos and in your posts. So let's go take a look. This is answerthepublic.com, and what's so powerful about this website is that it uses the search queries from Google and Bing to use keywords and give you content. You can type in things like real estate, mortgage, investment properties. Today what I've used is real estate, so let's look at what it came up with in that search query. So it gave us 198 questions surrounding real estate, and with 198 questions, it's going to be hard to run out of content anytime soon. As you can see from this one keyword, real estate, we have some really great questions in here, like where real estate is cheap, or where to invest in real estate. We also have, will real estate crash in 2019? This is why this website is so powerful, and it's so great for finding content and what you want to be talking about in your video marketing and posts. If you have any questions about Answer the Public, please feel free to put them in the comments below. If you'd like to set up a time to talk about your marketing, there is a link in the post that you can click on to schedule a time to meet with me. As always, I'm here to answer any of your real estate, marketing, or social media questions, so please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great weekend and stay tuned for next week's Ask Ashton.